Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Yieldstreet for subscription alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. Once you're on the home page, locate the sign up button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address carefully to ensure you receive all notifications. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message from Yieldstreet. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. This will direct you back to the Yieldstreet website, where you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your email and password to access your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings, typically accessible from your profile icon. In the account settings, locate the Notification Preferences section. Here, look for the options related to subscription alerts. Select the types of alerts you wish to receive, adjusting your preferences as needed. After making your selections, click on the Save button to confirm your choices. Keep an eye on your inbox for updates regarding new investment opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.